Welcome to the spectroscopy video. In this experiment, we'll be using first a prism and then a diffraction grating to spatially separate different wavelengths of light. First, hold a prism in front of your phone camera. Arrange it so that you can take a picture of the refracted image of a light source alongside the unrefracted light source, all in one picture. Now hold the diffraction grating in front of your phone camera and point it towards the same light source. Again, take a picture. Tape the smaller focal length lens to the larger opening of the cardboard box. This will focus the light from our LEDs and bulb. Tape a piece of paper to a textbook or other vertical stand. This will serve as a viewing screen. Attach the red LED to the batteries using two clip wires. The longer lead must be connected to the positive terminal or the LED won't light up. Poke the LED into the slit in your cardboard box. Point the whole assembly at your viewing screen and you should be able to see a red dot. The dot will be in focus at one particular distance. Next, connect the green LED in parallel with the red LED using another two alligator clip wires, again making sure the longer lead connects to the positive terminal. Also, connect the incandescent bulb in parallel with the two LEDs. You might find it useful to add a single wire at the very end so that you can turn on and off the whole system with a single clip. Move the prism into the path such that the LED and bulb spots are refracted twice. For each LED, trace the light rays using a pen and then calculate the refractive index for red light and for green light. For the bulb, is it just a white spot that has been translated, or do you see something more? Next, temporarily disconnect your lights to conserve power. Remove the prism and tape the diffraction grating over top of the lens. Try to minimize any bending and angling of the grating while doing this. When you are finished, reconnect the lights. Adjust the distance from box to screen, and you should now see your red, green, and white spots. With a diffraction grating, this is called 0th order. And on each side, you will see a diffracted first order copy, and maybe also a second order copy if your system is fairly optimized. For each spot, measure the distance from box to screen and the distance from the center to the diffracted spot. You may find it useful to have only one LED or bulb connected at a time for this. Now, disconnect and remove the LEDs and bulb from the slit. Remove the lens from the box and place the grating directly against the larger opening. Feel free to tape it down if that is helpful. Use your computer or phone to display white light. Hold the slit next to the screen and look through the grating. You should see bands of color on each side of the slit. Thanks for watching the spectroscopy video.